O my followers, whenever you drink water, remember me, Imam Al-Hussain.
The river of Truth Al-Hussain Ibn Ali is a cup with LED lights and sound that helps kids remember and commemorate Imam Al-Hussain, peace be upon him. It's a very simple way for kids to keep Imam Al-Hussain in their mind year-round. The idea is to make Imam Al-Hussain and his story something that kids can remember daily. Children are inspired by and attached to superheroes, yet we have real heroes. Basically, my aim is to create this bond between children and Imam Al-Hussain, the same way they are extremely inspired by superheroes. The message is for kids to remember him every time they drink water.